Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery, Unveiling the Fuzzy Delight. Hi, Furbu here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery. This little houseplant has captured hearts with its fuzzy charm and unique appearance. But beyond the adorableness, there's a surprisingly resilient plant waiting to be explored. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery. What makes the Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery special? Unlike its name, the Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery isn't shrouded in complete secrecy. We know it belongs to the Peperomia genus, a vast family known for their diverse foliage and low-maintenance needs. But the Fuzzy Mystery stands out for its fuzzy texture. Tiny hairs cover its bright green, heart-shaped leaves, adding a delightful textural element. Fluted leaves. The leaves boast gentle folds or flutes, creating a dynamic visual interest. Compact size. This Peperomia stays delightfully petite, reaching a mature height of 8 to 10 inches, perfect for smaller spaces. Not a succulent. While it shares some visual similarities with succulents, the Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery prefers slightly more moisture. How to care for Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery. Here's the good news. The Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery is an incredibly easygoing houseplant. Here's how to keep it thriving. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Aim for the soak and dry method. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, then allow it to dry out completely before watering again. Overwatering is the enemy. Humidity. While it appreciates higher humidity levels, think rainforests, it can tolerate average household humidity. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray with water can help boost humidity. Temperature. The Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery thrives in warm temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect it from cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. A well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants is ideal. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a diluted application of balanced houseplant fertilizer once a month is sufficient. Common Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery problems. Solutions at your fingertips. Even the most low-maintenance plants can face occasional challenges. Here's how to troubleshoot some common issues. Drooping leaves. This usually indicates overwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Brown spots on leaves. Direct sunlight or underwatering can cause brown spots. Ensure proper light placement and adjust your watering schedule. Leggy growth. Insufficient light can cause the plant to stretch towards a light source. Move it to a brighter location. Tip. Regularly rotate your Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery to ensure even growth. Propagating your Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery. Sharing the fuzz. The beauty of the Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery is meant to be shared. Here's how you can propagate this fuzzy friend. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a short stem. Plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix, and keep it warm and humid. New growth should emerge in a few weeks. Stem cuttings. Cut a stem with at least 2 nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves and plant it in a similar manner as leaf cuttings. Patience is key. Propagation takes time. Be patient and provide consistent care for successful results. Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery versus other Peperomia varieties. Finding your perfect match. The Peperomia family offers a stunning array of options. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide if the Fuzzy Mystery is your perfect match. Peperomia obtusifolia, baby rubber plant, similar heart-shaped leaves, but larger and glossier. Less fuzzy, but just as easy to care for. Watermelon Peperomia, features round, variegated leaves with a watermelon-like pattern. Requires slightly more light than the Fuzzy Mystery. Peperomia rotundifolia, coin leaf Peperomia, distinctly round, coin-shaped leaves. A true miniature plant, perfect for terrariums. Ultimately, the best Peperomia for you depends on your personal preferences and space constraints. The fuzzy charm endures. The Peperomia Fuzzy Mystery is more than just a cute face. It's a resilient, low-maintenance plant that brings a touch of whimsy and texture to any indoor space. With its forgiving nature and unique character, it's the perfect companion for busy plant parents or those new to the world of houseplants. So, if you're looking for a plant that adds personality without demanding constant attention, The Peperomia fuzzy mystery might just be your fuzzy soulmate in the plant world.